today we're going to change the front brake pads on a 2013 RAV4. What you want to do is you want to loosen these bolts here. There's one on the top and one on the bottom, and that'll loosen up your caliper so you can remove it. Your pads are very, very thin and they need to be replaced. The rotors look okay. What you want to do is you want to put a pad on there, and I get a large clamp, and you want to compress the piston, otherwise you can't get them back on the rotors. And I'll show you what I mean, because the rotors, the new pads have a lot more braking material on them, so you have to compress this piston so you can get the new thicker pads back on. And you always want to do this with the old pad to avoid ruining the new pads. And we're almost there. And there we go. Now you can see they're fully compressed. And you're okay to put the new ones on. Part number for the new pads. There it is, and that's the brand. that's how you change pads on a 2003 Toyota RAV4.